Welcome to another one of my exciting videos. And in this video here, I will not be going through every single possible thing you need, but I will provide you with a little more information about this building than you might have had if you didn't watch the video. To build a 4-unit apartment, or quite possibly 4 units you might be able to sell with my tiny home design. Now, I will be putting a link in the video description box for those of you interested in a little more information on how to build the individual unit. And I would definitely recommend watching that. So not much to it here. We're going to have a solid concrete foundation. It's going to go all the way through. And we are going to have a 2-inch gap in between each one of the units. And the reason for that will be to reduce the amount of sound that can travel between units. So I wouldn't make any framing connections in between the wall framing and the floor framing on the interior. However, on the exterior, you can connect the units together all the way through. So something like this will make it a little structurally stronger than something like this. So let's go ahead and zoom in on that. So as long as I extend the framing plate through by at least 4 foot, I like 4 foot, even though some people are suggesting that only a few inches is enough, and I totally disagree with that. So if possible, extend it at least 4 feet. If not, something is going to be better than nothing. And as I mentioned in the original video that I made for the individual unit, you will need to check with your local building codes to make sure that this stairway is going to work. And as always, I would suggest checking with them on the entire project. And the roof trusses are going to be spaced 24 inches on center all the way through, along with the possibility of at least one firewall in the center of this building that would be installed from the ground up all the way to the bottom of the roof sheathing. And you will need to put in your ceiling backing along with all the building hardware and blocking at the exterior wall and at the roof ridge and on the other side. And I'm not going to bother putting the fascia board on or the roof sheathing because I have drawn it in so many times. I have so many videos on the fascia board and the roof sheathing. And to find those videos, go to the website, click on the building tab at the top, and then scroll down until you find house building projects to find some of the projects I've already completed. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, let us know by hitting the thumbs up button or letting us know in the comment area.